Enterprises are in an AI gold rush. Billions of dollars are being thrown into pilots, proof of concepts, and experiments. Hi, I'm Prashant Kumar from Nurix. Everyone is racing to harness generative AI, but here's the shocker. According to MIT's Gen AI report, 95% of enterprise AI pilots fail. Despite tens of billions in investment, most of these projects deliver no business impact. They don't move the P&L, they don't scale, they just fizzle out. Only 5% succeed, and the difference between this 95 and the 5% isn't luck, it's strategy. So why do so many fail? The MIT describes something they call the learning gap. Generic tools like ChatGPT are flexible for individuals, but they collapse in enterprise settings. They don't retain feedback, they don't adapt to workflows, they don't improve over time. As one of the study's author put it, generic tools like ChatGPT excel for individuals, but they stall in enterprises because they don't learn or adapt to workflows. The second issue is where the money goes. MIT found that more than half of enterprise AI budgets are funneled into front office experiments. Chatbots, marketing tools, customer-facing gimmicks. The irony, the real ROI lives in the back office. Compliance automation, operational efficiency, outsourcing reduction. These boring areas are where AI quietly saves millions, but most enterprises overlook them. Third, there's build versus partner trap. MIT's data show that AI sourced externally through specialized vendors succeed about 2/3 of the time. In contrast, internally built solutions succeed only 1/3 as often. Enterprises often underestimate how difficult it is to operationalize AI at scale. And finally, focus. Startups thrive because they pick one pain point and execute ruthlessly. As MIT's reports say, the winners pick one pain point, execute well, and partner smartly. Enterprises, by contrast, spread themselves thin across 10 pilots at once. And in trying to do everything, they end up doing nothing. Now, let's flip it. What do the 5% do differently? First, they focus on a single high-impact use case, something that directly moves the business needle, like automating invoice processing or streamlining onboarding. Second, they embed AI into workflows, not as a bolt-on dashboard, not as a shiny experiment, but as a native layer in the way work actually gets done. Third, they partner smartly. They don't waste years reinventing the wheel in-house. They bring in proven expertise and accelerate time to value. Fourth, they spend strategically. They put money into operations and automations, not vanity projects. And fifth, they close the learning gap. They make sure their AI systems retain feedback, adapt to context, and improve with every cycle. This is how a pilot turns into a profit engine. So, how do you become part of the 5%? Start by asking one question. Where can AI save or generate the most money in the shortest time? Focus there. Then, redesign the workflow. So AI isn't an accessory, it's the backbone. Bring in external expertise where it matters. Shift your budget away from surface level tools and into actual infrastructure that actually pays off. And finally, invest in your people. Because the biggest barrier to AI success isn't the technology, it's the organization's ability to adapt and learn. Nurix AI takes the success principles and puts them into practice for clients. Nurix offers a suite of generative AI agents designed to transform enterprise workflows by automating complex tasks, enhancing customer interactions, and integrating smoothly with existing systems. In other words, Nurix's approach directly addresses the common failure points that hobble many AI pilots. Nurix develops custom AI agents tailored to specific business needs. This ensures each AI pilot tackles a clearly defined problem, aligned with the company's goal rather than a one-size-fits-all. By zeroing in on high-impact use cases across areas like sales, customer support, or operations, Nurix delivers quick wins that prove ROI. A major strength of Nurix's generative agents is their ability to plug into existing enterprise systems like CRMs, ERPs, databases, and communication tools with minimal friction. Integration and interportability are baked into the solution so that AI becomes a natural extension of your workflows, not a disconnected demo. This smooth integration drives user adoption and avoids the pilot failure, where so many isolated AI tests languish. Nurix recognizes that AI works best alongside your people. Its solutions often incorporate advanced but user-friendly interfaces, including text or voice interactions, to make the AI feel like a collaborative assistant and not an alien technology. Nurix also supports a human-in-the-loop approach when needed, so your team retains oversight and confidence in the AI's actions. Training and change management are part of the package, helping employees quickly get comfortable with their new AI coworkers. Perhaps most importantly, Nurix has demonstrated real-world success in turning pilots into tangible outcomes. For instance, when Nurix AI deployed custom generative agents for Culfit's customer support, the company saw 80% faster query resolution and achieved a 100% return on investment by automating repetitive support tasks and freeing up human agents from complex cases. In another deployment, Nurix's AI agents helped a financial services platform handle social media customer inquiries more efficiently, improving response times and customer satisfaction. These are the kinds of results that move the needle, and they are achieved by doing Gen AI right. By partnering with Nurix, enterprises get the best of both worlds, cutting-edge generative AI technology and strategic guidance to implement it successfully. Nurix's generative AI agents handle routine tasks with speed and accuracy, reduce errors, and boost response times, all while fitting snugly into your existing processes. The outcome is that your team is liberated to focus on strategic priorities, and your AI investments start translating into real business value rather than just hype. Do it right with Nurix. The era of scattered AI experiments and disillusionment can be left behind. With a clear strategy, the right use cases, and a partner like Nurix to provide robust generative AI solutions, your enterprise can join the elite 5% that turn AI pilots into scalable success. It's time to close the Gen AI divide and unlock the true potential of AI for your business.